Hi guys, this is my Apple Cinema display. I've started my monitor with a Mac Pro. It sometimes gives the complete picture, but sometimes won't. I don't know why. Now it got started. See, if I try it again, it won't start. So I'll switch it off. I've started it again. This gives a display, and once it starts, I think yeah, the display has gone. I don't know why it's keep on going like this. I need to keep start several times to get a display on the monitor. Please find me a solution, like is there any inverter board problem or the motherboard problem in the display. Please help me out, or the I think there is any, if there is any power issue. I don't have any spare monitor to check out the problem in the monitor. So just if there is any technician, just please help me out so that I'll buy the spare part and I'll try it with my monitor. Okay, thank you.